Lights, camera, sound. The celebration of cinema is in the sound. From inside the theatre to the outside, the sound is what energizes, amplifies, and excites everyone. From one of the biggest Tamil movies releasing in 2022, we decided to create a content piece that has never been experienced before. Introducing Sounds from the World of Beast. A video that was completely sound edited. The internet broke into a frenzy. Wow. And the fans of Vijay couldn't keep calm. ASMR was used completely in a video for promotion. The results were staggering. The virality was infectious, and the only sound we could hear was applause and cheers. Isn't that the beginning of the greatest fanfare? Do you think so too? Leaving you with the sound